The MSI GP70 is hands down the budget gaming laptop before. But does it all still have the capabilities on today's standards? This is Lyka of NPT, and today we will take you back in time to revisit the MSI GP70. This laptop has a stealthier look with some brushed lines that the build is made out of aluminum and plastic, giving a sleeker design with great port selections to the easy maintenance way for upgrades. Opening the laptop has a lot of cool stuff, including the media controls. Steel series keyboards with a very well spaced and great feedback that shows its age. A small trackpad that is functional. Speakers facing the users gives a decent and sound quality. Webcam with microphone for decent Skype calls. And they replace 1600 by 900 glossy display that the original anti-glare is broken. The specs show its full potential with the i7 4800MQ, NVIDIA 740M, 2GB, 8GB RAM, and 1TB for storage. In terms of gaming, the 740 handles smooth in some modern tiles on low to medium, and since this is a mid-tier graphics unit, it is paired with the i7 and 8GB of RAM. Where the temps are very good thanks to the cooler boost for better cooling, and for productivity, it's smooth as butter. So let's conclude something with this question. Is this laptop usable in 2018? Well, it depends. Even though back in 2013, this is a powerful laptop. Technologies improves in every performance bump, but the GP70 is usable in such a way of making your workloads done as a pie. By its CPU, GPU, and other components, it is still a capable machine in 2018. And with that, we have to end. Comment down below your thoughts, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos, and leave a like if you think this is an interesting computer. I am signing off.